Oh, hi there. I have a little problem. My mother would love to watch her Waltons TV show. As you can see, I have several seasons on DVD, like this, and even more of that. But we don't have a functioning DVD player in the house. I tried them all. We have this one from Xoro, and yeah, it's dead. It reads the disc, but then does nothing. It stops at loading. Then we have this one. It's another famous brand, Befaligo, whatever that is. Same problem. And then we have this one. And this is a special one. This is a Toshiba DVD player and VHS player at the same time. Oops. The model is Toshibar RDXV50KF. I don't know if you can see it here. Let's hold it in the camera. Yeah, so I have the most hope for this one to get it working again, because the symptoms are when I turn it on, it just lights up and then it goes off again. And I watched another YouTube video that showed what the cause could be. So I will try the same steps. I will link the other video in the description down below if it helps me to fix it. But first, let's see what the problem is. I will plug it in with a cable and hopefully it will not explode. I need to get the power on, 1 second. Okay, we have another power switch here. So that should power on the unit. Oh, here's the power button. So let's go a bit closer. And I turn it on. It clicks. It clicks. But that's pretty much all. If you look very carefully, you can see some lights flashing up here. Aha, I can hear a fan spin. It does some noise. Sounds like there is something stuck, but yeah, you can see the power is on. There's something here, but I cannot really open the disk drive. Oh, I can open this one. Oh, I didn't do that before. So maybe it works after all and we can... Okay, I will try to connect it and see what happens. Alright, I played around a little bit with the DVD player and it seems like the DVD player is working, but the VHS player has a problem, and I show you in a moment. So the TV is connected and I take one of these lovely Waltons DVDs and put it in here. And I didn't do anything. I just opened this up and maybe there's some dust in there or some dirt. But luckily, as you can see here, you can switch between VCR, HDD and DVD. Now it's on DVD, and if I hit play, then there should be something on that TV. there it comes. Yeah, that looks fantastic. So yeah, DVD signal is good, but let's check out the VHS version of this machine. So I switch it, I go to VCR mode and take a cassette tape, plug it in. Oh, and that's what's happening. It spits it out immediately and makes this terrible noise. So we're going to open this up after all, and let's see if there's something inside that needs to be cleaned or that can be fixed. All right. First off, safety first. Power off and unplug, just to be sure that we don't get electrocuted on the way. Okay, there are a couple of screws here. Let's quickly remove them. Then there are more screws on the back. Here, 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 and here. Alright, all the screws are removed, so let's check inside. Yeah, it's a bit... okay, it goes off. Nice. There we go. That's how it looks. And my suspicion is that something is dirty in here. So I will clean this, if you can see that, this thing here, which is a light bridge or something. And that's what I saw in this other YouTube video. So I will clean that and see if it helps. If it doesn't, then we need to continue looking for other things to fix. This is how it looks. And I can see a little bit of dirt, but not much. So I'll just clean it and see what happens and come back after that. Alright, so now that this is clean, I put it back in and we put tape in and see what happens. So let's try this carefully. There are some pins underneath, so that helps with the alignment. And now the screw. Okay, this is in place. So let's try to get some dust out. I don't have any special equipment, so I just have to use myself. Okay, I do have a brush, so I can brush off some parts here. It doesn't look too dusty, but we'll see. I power it back on. Tape. Oh, not ready yet. Doesn't like it when it's open, so I will close it and try again. No, same problem. Nah. Okay, I have to keep on looking. Okay, I put the lid back on, and the DVD section seems to work fine. The VHS section still has this problem, but I put the tape in a couple of times and it seems to be a little bit better. So check this out. Oh wait, no, first I need to turn it on. There, it eats the tape. And place it. That's amazing, and you can see I can fast forward, that's fine, play, rewind, all good. But when I press stop and then eject it, and then it shuts off. So if you know what that is, please let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'm happy that it plays the Waltons with the DVD section, and we don't use the VHS section anyway, so that's fine. I call it a success anyway. So have a good day. Bye bye. Yeah, this is what happens when you try to repair something. Can you see the smoke? That TV is gone.